Even I remember the words of this one.
Oh, God. Parrot sketch. Oh, dear me.
I wish to register a complaint.
The content of the Amnesty show was very simple. It was stuff that people knew well, would not have to spend a lot of time rehearsing, and which was tried and trusted. We knew it was going to work.
Remarkable bird, the Norwegian blue, innit, eh? Beautiful plumage. The plumage don't enter into it. He's stone dead. No, he's resting. All right then, if he's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Mr. Parrot. I've got a nice fresh cuttlefish for you if you wake up. There, he moved. No, he didn't. That was you.
This is only 1976, and yet the sketch is already a cliche of comedy, and John and Mike know it backwards, and of course the audience knows it backwards as well. I mean, John and Mike could be just miming, and the audience could have said the words.
And this is one of the very best stage performances I think we ever did. I mean, I've never seen John at such sort of high voltage. It was absolutely terrific. It does a great routine with it. There should be sort of an Olympic sport of parrot bashing, and he would win hands down. Look at that. Bong, 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 bong. Bang, bang, whack, bang, dong, dong. Where's he get it from? Incredible. I've never seen him do that before. And we did that show many times on stage after that. I don't think it ever worked quite as well.
Now that's what I call a dead parrot. He's done.
The audience is already laughing because they know what's coming. And sometimes you can see it throws their timing. And because the timing is different, and their performance becomes different, and you see Mike breaking up, he often starts laughing.
He's probably pining for the field. Pining for the field? This is nothing to laugh at. Why did he fall flat in his back the moment I got him home? The Norwegian blue prefers keeping on his back. Remarkable bird, Esquire. Beautiful plumage.
Some of the sketches became national treasures.
Do you remember when Margaret Thatcher used part of this sketch at a Tory conference? I think it was about the Lib Dem party, and they persuaded her to do it, and of course she was good at many things, but she was not very good. They coached her.
This is an ex-parrot. It is not merely stunned, it has ceased to be, expired, and gone to meet its maker.
But she actually used quite a lot of it.